Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Spargelsalat, which is a German asparagus salad. And it has asparagus, radish, and we're going to do some hard-boiled eggs, German mustard, scallions, white pepper, salt, canola oil, vinegar, and sugar. So let me get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it.
Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe, and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes?
I have about 1.5 inches of water in this skillet, and it's come to a boil, so we're gonna now boil these for about 3 minutes. And just with some tongs, spread them out in the pan so they're lying flat. And 3 minutes should be good. We're gonna test to make sure it's fork tender. All right, so some of these are really thin, so this one is already fork tender. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna shock it in cold water. If you have ice at home, that's even better, ice water. I don't have any ice in the kitchen. Now the thicker ones, they are gonna take a bit longer. As you can see, I can't even get the fork in it yet. So just keep an eye, and asparagus is so good and a little expensive, so do keep an eye on this and take out anything that is tender and ready to go into that water. Now while the asparagus is cooling, I'm gonna get the radish ready, and we're gonna take off the top, cut them in half, and then cut them into a quarter and cut these nice thin pieces. The asparagus have cooled off, and now I'm cutting them on the bias in about 1-inch pieces. Now, if the end of it looks a little too fibrous or still feels very firm, we're not gonna use it. But we want these nice sized pieces. Now we're making a really simple vinaigrette to go over our asparagus salad. So this is 3 tablespoons of canola oil. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of this kosher sea salt that I love. If you don't have it, regular table salt is fine. 1/8 of a teaspoon of white ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of our German stone ground mustard. This is so good, I love this. Get that in there. And very simply, just whisk it up. There we go, we have our mustard vinaigrette. Now that I have all the components together, I'm gonna mix them. This is our hard-boiled egg that I diced, and we're gonna add that into our vinaigrette first, and make sure that gets completely coated. So just stir this together. Now make sure you taste and adjust. I already tasted it. It tasted fine for me. It was well balanced, but you could always add a little more salt, a little more pepper if you choose. And then we're gonna toss together our asparagus and our 1/4 cup of scallions or green onions. And now we're gonna add our chopped up radishes. And now we can spoon over this dressing and get it all covered. Wow, that looks great. So just stir it together, and then you want to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit and marinate for about 30-minute minimum, up to a couple hours before you serve it. Here is our asparagus salad, and I garnished it with a couple shavings of radish and some more green onion. And let me take a taste. It looks so good. That was so nice. I love the egg in there. It is absolutely phenomenal. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please make it at home and check out all my new videos that are coming up. I do about 2 a week, and I have over 460 on my YouTube channel. So please check out all the recipes.
Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.